Good morning, crafty friends. Jenni Lynn here with card making tip number 9. What do you do with all of the cards that you make? You know the ones, you make them, they're so cute, and now you have to put them somewhere because it's really not time to send them out yet, or you haven't found the right recipient. Well, I've got a couple of solutions for you in today's video. One of the first things I would suggest is if you are making a bunch of cards that are not yet being used, go ahead and get these little cellophane bags. They're readily available at craft stores as well as Amazon. They're just clear cellophane and they have like a little sticky here. So you just peel off the release paper and fold it down in the back. So now the card is protected from spills, dust, etc. before you get a chance to use it. Another tip that I have for you is to make sure that your cards are contained. You do all the hard work, and then you get them bagged. Now we want to keep them neat and contained until they're ready to use. So one option is to get some sort of bin. Now I 3D printed this, but you could use those clear bins that are everywhere for organizing. And what I do is I put all of my cards, once they're bagged up, I put all of my cards in the bin. So you can sort your cards by theme, holiday, occasion, etc. And then you can get some heavy cardstock or some craft board and make some dividers. Make your dividers taller than your cards. Make them taller than these little bags, or make sure the bags are folded over flush with the card. But I just did these all on my Cricut. So in this bin, I have happy birthday. Then I have a hello/thinking of you section. And then I have thank you. So I do send a lot of these categories in particular. So then I have this bin, everything's neat and organized, and these are here ready to go when I need them. Another option would be to get a smaller container for each category. I recently picked up a couple of these blue organizing containers. These are 4x6 containers, and they're my color, so I had to get them. But what I like about these, and I may get more, one, I like that they're portable, and a lot of times I will grab a huge stack of birthday cards and then my pouch that has all of my stamps and such, and I'll go to another room. So if I have a ton of birthday cards or Christmas cards in a little box like this that has a handle, I can just grab this one, grab my stamps, and go to the other room and sit comfy while I'm writing and addressing envelopes. This one in particular is currently housing all of my Christmas cards. So these are all A2 size cards, except for one. This one here is a 4x6 card, but all of these are A2 cards, and they lay horizontal. Now these here are square cards, so it doesn't matter. They can be horizontal or vertical. If it's a square. And then I just take all of them and put them down here in the box. Then I could stack these up in my calyx unit. I could even do vinyl here on the side or the front and maybe the top that tells me what this is, depending on how I'm going to have it sit in my shelving unit. So 2 great ways to organize all of your beautiful creations until you are ready to send some handmade joy for everyday moments. Hello, crafty friends. Thanks for making it to the end with me. I'm so glad you were here to share in the crafty fun. Here are a couple more videos that I think you might find inspiring. And don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.